Alright, ballers, today I'm gonna let you in on a secret that not many people are talking about. This here is a real life example of how I was able to use money in my life insurance to buy real estate. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and stay up to date with more content on real estate investing. Okay, so here's the deal. It was the second or third house that I contracted many years ago, and the purchase price was about $27,000. I already borrowed money from friends and family to buy my first one. Then I remember that I bought a life insurance policy when I was in my 20s, and for 10 years plus, I was putting away $100 a month. And at that time, my life insurance policy had a cash value at about $35,000, give or take. And this revelation was a game changer.
It's a game changer, sir, okay?
Well, so I called up my insurance company and told them I needed a loan. I borrowed the maximum amount allowed, which came to be about $30,000. Life just perfect, right? The check came in within a few business days. I took that money to close on that house, which I later sold for $65,000. Now, at that time, I had the option to pay the loan back or reinvest that $30,000 that I borrowed. What would you have done? Leave it in the comment below. I'm sorry for this interruption. I've been asked a lot about passive investment. And let's be real, there is nothing passive about being a landlord unless you have a really good property management company. So if you own an Airbnb or a short-term rental and you want to get back your time, please give our team at Buzz Vacation Rental a call at 281-549-8432 or go to our website at pm.buzzvacationrentals.com. Now back to the Real Estate Ballers show. Alright, but listen to this. This is interesting. Here's another bonus, which is why I love talking about this, right? So the loan that I borrow, I was charged 5% interest. And while I was charged 5% on the interest, my money, that $30,000 that I took out, was earning 10% on the return. So I was still at a net gain of 5%, even though I took it out, bought real estate, and then made a profit on the real estate. Okay? So at this point, you probably wonder, well, how did I do that? And well, before I continue, can you please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up? So my life insurance policy was a variable universal life. And what a variable universal life is an investment account and a life insurance that marry together. So the $100 that I've been paying, out of that, some of it go to the cost of the life insurance, some go to the fees, and then some go to the investment account. So over time, that money grew tax-free. Think about it. 10 years, $100 a month. That's 120 payments, right? So $12,000, which that return to me was substantial. And now I am not an investment advisor or a financial advisor, but this is just a story that I want to share with you because you have more money than you know. And so over time, that money grew tax-free. When I borrow it to invest, because it's a loan, so I didn't have to pay tax on the $30,000 that I borrow. And then so some of you, Matt was out there, you probably want to start punching your calculator, probably get your calculator or your Excel sheets and start punching returns, what kind of return I got. But you can't. And why do I say that? I think it's infinite. And once again, I am not a financial advisor, but I want to point out to you that it pays off to be disciplined, regardless if you are young or old. Because I was disciplined in my 20s to put aside $100 a month to put in this variable universal life. And little did I know 10 something years later, it grew to be 30 something thousand, and that I was able to borrow it and to purchase real estate with it and made a pretty nice return overall for life insurance policy and outside in real estate. Thank you for tuning in and joining me on this exciting journey today. I hope you found these insights beneficial and inspiring. For more content like this, please hit that subscribe button. By subscribing to our channel, you will stay up to date with any real estate investing tips and strategy that we learn. By the way, please let us know if there's any future topics that you want to learn about. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.